back to looking like a desert. Oh, there's trees way up there.
There's trees. I'm so excited. It's been a long time, it feels like. So green.
No, it almost makes me want to eat that. I don't know what
I know,
it is.
right? If you ever wondered where the wild horses and the donkeys go when they get rounded up here in Nevada, well, this is one of the places they have. Oh, thank you. They have holding areas here. See a couple cows. I think those are
Pretty tall for
horses way out there. All right, well that's what they do. They bring them out here in the holding pens. All right, we are going straight ahead.
Uh-oh, then we come to a Y.
Yeah, and I know which way to go. Which way have I always told you to go at the Y?
Do I go to the right?
Go to the right at the Y.
What if I don't want to?
All right, we got some low lying branches here. We saw the horses, but they're through the woods there. There's a lot of them.
We're over the river and through the woods. We don't have any more.
They seem pretty calm in there, but what choice do they got, huh?
Yeah. They're getting fed now. They're like,
There's a lot of them. You're just seeing oops, sorry guys. You're just seeing a little bit of them.
Yeah, our storks are out there. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Herring, white
Osprey. So there's like all kinds of little areas to get in here. Whether they're good for us, I don't know, but there's a lot of lakes out here. Once we get down and find a campsite, we'll tell you guys where exactly we are. Hopefully we can find a nice spot that we can fit comfortably into. Oh, there's that lake is beautiful back there.
Oh.
Okay, that's a pretty one back there. Do you want to go all the way up and then come back, or
Well, we'll
up
see
to
what we got
you?
up here. We'll go up a little further.
Yeah, that was pretty. Boy, even out this way, it's not bad. It's really
But no
kind
trees.
of no trees. We want trees. The wildlife is going to be amazing here with the birds. We're definitely going to have to get out and
Yeah.
walk it.
But obviously that's not going to get you to the lake. Unless it's all through the trees.
Oh, this is just a gorgeous place, though.
You
Man,
want to just,
lots of camping.
just stop and walk over
No, I think we can keep going. I think these are maybe the smaller lakes.
there? Yeah.
There's a bigger one. Now we need to find something that fits our rig.
But there's no trees.
I know, but I think we found the honey hole of lakes. They're everywhere. We'll scope it out over here. I'm not sure what that fence is either.
I think it's just for erosion.
All right, guys, we're just scouting out some spots before we pull our trailer down. These aren't level roads, and it's very sandy.
I got a feeling it's windy here a lot. Well, this looks like a good spot. Unfortunately, I don't have the axle clearance, and I am not going to push this RV that far to get down there. I would sure think if you had a van or a truck camper, you might be able to do it.
Yeah, we're a little too big for that area.
Not pushing it.
No, let's go find another spot. So this is the roundabout where we're parked right here. Somebody's had a fire pit here. There is a little bit of garbage out here we're noticing. Look at that. That's a fun one to look at.
Wonder what's in there, though.
I don't know.
Don't look like ants.
Yeah, I don't know.
Looks like a mini volcano.
What's in that fire pit? Little eggs. See the little eggs?
Killdeer eggs. I wonder where they're at. It's pretty positive.
I just told Scotty to be careful because the rattlesnakes are out.
It's a gate because the water, see the level there?
Yeah.
Then it drops down like 8 feet
Okay.
and goes across the road.
I
under
see.
The road.
I figured it had something to do with
Yeah.
the inlet of
It's
water.
a big concrete thing.
All right. I don't know what that sign says, but that's
Walk over.
oh, it's a big turnaround. So we decided Scotty would go down and kind of explore for a minute. Miss Pumpkin is tired. It's all about Pumpkin. Yeah. I woke her up pretty early so we could get on the road. He found some firewood.
I'd rather keep looking. I mean,
Okay.
that's a huge turnaround, but I think a road goes back that way. But there's a little, you can see in the bushes right there,
Yeah.
a little opening there.
Okay. Was there a sandy beach?
A little bit of a sandy beach, yeah.
Now, the lake that I saw somebody on when I was doing my research, there was no reeds in the water. It was just open. It was an open lake. Saw that you did get some firewood.
I found some firewood.
Yeah. All right, we'll keep searching. We've been searching probably for the last half hour now. There's a lot of lakes out here. Absolutely gorgeous. Matter of fact, there's another one right over there. Just a little pond. Really pretty out here. Oh, but it is.
Oh, hey.
Okay. That's going to clean the rug in the...
Yeah. Shake something loose.
Yeah. Oh, there's another little pond there. I think this might be our final little lake that we can check out. Scotty is right over there, walking down there to see if that's an opening. It's a little hard to figure out the camping out here because there's really no information about these lakes. I researched for a couple days and I couldn't find anything more than just one video, so we'll see. Any thumbs up?
Well, the road kind of does go around it. Looks doable, but I wonder if we should cruise down that way.
I'm pretty sure that's the spot. Does it look like an opening?
No.
Oh, it's not?
No, there's reeds all the way down, and there's a big pile of garbage and crap.
Yeah, don't want to do that. All right, well, yeah, we're not having any luck. It's so gorgeous out.
It just ends right there that it's like marsh.
Oh, yeah, we're just not having any luck. I think we have enough room to get in here. Hopefully she'll fit. Sometimes it's just a little harder to find a good spot because, well, we're a little bit longer than the camper used to be. Wow! So it's definitely taking us a couple times back and forth, back and forth. We're trying to get in this nice flat area here, but you can see it's very tilted up there. All right, well, we did it. We're not too far off the road, but that's okay. There's not a lot of traffic on this road. There is a road right here that we'll walk up and check it out later on. We are blocking it, but I don't think that that's a big deal. There's lots of ways into all these little areas. I don't think anyone's going to come through this way anyways. Right now it's a little wet up around the corner.
As you can see, I got her in here. It was a bit of effort, and luckily I have Terry back there guiding me around because you forget sometimes how long you are when you have this big old RV in your truck to get in the spot. You know, sometimes it's like, oh, I can get it in there, but you forget how you have to go back and forth, back and forth. Anyways, I love my rig. I don't regret getting this big old son of a gun. Some places I can't get to, but for the most part, I'm going to give it my best until I am sitting where I want to be. And when I have a lake this close, I'm going to push it. Maybe sometimes too far. Hey, I haven't hit anything. I haven't put a hole in my rig yet.
You better knock on some wood.
Knock on the wood there anyways. Hey, happy to be here and ready to have a cerveza now.
Yeah. Time to make some dinner and chill out at the lake.
Yay, we're here.
There is evidence that the cows come down here and get water. And we have a really nice little path out here to a very small little beach, but just enough to be able to come out here and check out the water. It's beautiful. The birds are out here. Really There is a camper right around the corner from us. We can't even see him. That looks like a big swan out there. What you think of the beach? Pumpkin, what you think of the beach? She's like, I really want to drink some of that, Mom. Nope. Nope, not letting her drink any of it. She can sniff around, but with all the things that are going on in the Columbia River and with all the other sicknesses dogs have had, yeah, we won't. No. You can sniff. All right, let's go. Come here. We're not gonna go. She wants to go over to that little beach there, but we're not doing that.
I know Terry was just showing you what a beautiful place it is, and it is beautiful, but
we need to do some improvements.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah, there's a little bit of garbage here. A little problem with garbage. Nothing that we can't take care of.
I'm making solar power.
Scotty's got the solar lights out.
But we got more to do.
Yeah, somebody has come down and just dumped their garbage.
Do anything like this here.
So there's just, you know, the winds blow around here. They had it in a box probably, but when the winds blow, things, you know,
but I did
blow away. We will pick all this stuff up, get this really nice and beautiful again, and we'll take care of somebody else's trash.
And I'm going to whip out the lawnmower that I don't have.
Yeah.
My trap out, and I'm going to see if there's some crawdads.
Yeah.
I hope so. I'm ready for some more now.
I'm just so excited about those pelicans out there.
Yeah. Oh, did you see pelicans?
They're right there.
Oh,
yeah.
I've seen the white ones.
Yeah, they're really pretty, guys.
We'll get this disaster cleaned up. In
Yeah.
about 15
You know, I'm going to mention something about the garbage and stuff. You know, when we were up there at Craigie Wash and we were picking up, somebody made a comment about why would we share that on our channel for profit, whatever. You know what? We clean up a lot of garbage, you guys.
that we never show.
And yeah, tons. And lead by example. If people see us doing it, maybe they'll do it. And we actually have had viewers who said, wow, we didn't even think about taking a bag on a walk with us. And now they do that.
There is garbage places to get rid of all over the place.
Yeah.
If you go in, and here's my thought, and I hate to reiterate it, is if you take one bag out of somebody else's garbage, granted, and it gives us something to do on our walk.
Yeah,
So.
yeah. Unfortunately, I don't want to be doing that on my walk, but sometimes you have to. But you know, we have a channel. We have enough people that watch that we can put the message out there. And if they see us doing it, then maybe other people will do it. So that's why we do that. So probably the one thing that you don't want to do when you leave garbage is you probably don't want to leave mail. These are summons, court summons. So, you know, not a wise thing to do. If you leave garbage, you really should just take it with you and not leave your name and your evidence.
And your keys.
And your keys.
Let's see what kind of car we might be able to go get.
Well, I'll tell you what
they're
I
all
think.
skeleton keys.
I read these, and I think what happened, it's between a man and a woman, and I have a feeling that I'm going to say one of them cleaned out their crap and threw it out here. Yeah, ick. Look, Scott, there's a cow in the back of our yard.
I know, I just hired him a little bit ago to clean things up.
Your own personal lawnmower.
You know it. Hey, thank you all for watching our video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you could, hit the thumbs up. And as always, leave me a comment. Until the next video, have a wonderful time.
And don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all.